Inside this fire factory, eggs are cooked in a completely traditional way, using real flames and strong heat that rises from large burning fire pits. As soon as you enter this place, you can feel the intense warmth of the fire touching your face, and you can see the workers standing fearlessly in front of the flames. Every single day, their hands move quickly and smoothly because they have spent years mastering this difficult skill. Big iron pans are placed directly on the fire and the flames rise high, creating a powerful sound of crackling wood and sizzling heat. The workers begin their routine by cracking dozens of eggs, mixing them, and pouring them onto the extremely hot pan where the eggs start, cooking instantly. They must stay focused at every moment, because even a small mistake can burn the entire batch. Their timing, speed, and experience make this process look easy. But in reality, it is a job filled with heat, pressure, and non-stop effort. Another worker is responsible for controlling the fire by adding wood again and again to make sure the flame stays steady. If the fire becomes weak, the eggs take too long to cook. And if the fire becomes too strong, the eggs burn within seconds. That is why the perfect balance of heat is the most important part of this work. Every person in this factory has a role that depends on the others, and their teamwork keeps the entire process moving smoothly. The eggs cooked here develop a special, smoky taste that you cannot get from gas, stoves, or electric cookers. This traditional fire-based method gives the food a rich flavor that reminds people of old cooking traditions. Watching these workers makes us appreciate the effort behind even the simplest foods we eat. Their job is difficult, the environment is extremely hot, and the work never stops. Yet they continue with patience, strength, and pride. This factory is more than just a workplace. It is a symbol of dedication, teamwork, and old culture kept alive through hard work. The flames may be strong, but the people working here are even stronger.